Hi children, good morning. Today is Monday. On Mondays, what do? On Mondays, we go ahead and learn some English stuff, right? We have come to the end of this term, like every day, you must be seeing me and Miss Juno through videos, and like slowly you started learning things, and now we have come to the end of this term. With this lesson, with this, what we are going to just have a revision of the alphabets that we learned, and then we are going to end this term for English. Okay, shall we go ahead and have a revision of all the sounds and the letters and the words that we use for these alphabets? Okay, shall we go ahead and do that? Okay, so you all just tell with me, all give me the answers. What is this? This is S. Yes. S. When I say yes, are you able to hear the sound? S. 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 Dress. Soup. Soap. Snake. Then what we can say? Yes. This. Then sing. Yeah. Sun. Spoon. Spider. Star. Yeah, you get stars when you do your assessment. Well, yes, star. Then we learnt about submarine, snake. Okay, so we also learnt how to go about tracing the alphabet. Hope you all remember. Yes. Okay, so we traced. This is S. So we learned this is. We also learned how to trace it. Starting from here. S, s, as in dress, soup, soap. S. See? You all remember seeing this card? You had snake, s, saw, socks, soap, submarine, sausages, star, sun, and this boy is sad. S, s. Fine? We'll go to the next one. What is the next one that we learnt? A. A. We learnt A. As in apple, alligator, airplane, then airport, arrow, ant, and all the stuff. Yes, we also learnt how to trace it. Starting from here, A. A. Then we saw this on board, right? A. Then how did we trace it? Starting from here. A. Then you all remember seeing this card? Arrow, apple, anchor, ant, this girl is angry, astronaut, axe, alligator, animals. Yeah, we also learned some of the words, other words as in air, then action, then what else did we? Apricot. You all love apricot, no? Eating apricot. Apricot, then angle, then we had van, mat, cat. We saw words with a sound. Okay, words like pack, car, mat, fat, fan. Then what we have? Bag. In these words we have a sound in the middle, not in the beginning or not in the end, but in the middle. When you say car, fat, cat. Right? Okay, then we'll go to the next one. The next one is t, 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 t. What is this? T. Okay, so how did we trace it? T. T. Yes? This is T. We also practiced in our workbook as well as in our homework. So, just a standing line and a sleeping line. T. T. Then we also saw the card which had T sound. Taxi, T. Are you able to hear? Taxi, tomato, tortoise, tongue, toast, toaster, table, tiger, tent. T, t. We also saw some of the words like in fast. You able to hear the sound in the last? Fast, belt, cart, cut, put, shirt, mat, pant. Then what else? Your favorite feet, donut, nuts, nut. Then boat. Then what do you eat? Wheat. Mom prepares chapati with wheat. These are all the words where you hear the T sound in the end. Then you have tap, tap, talk, tent, as we saw tent, tail, tomorrow. These words have the tasty, taste, tongue. These words and all you have the T sound in the beginning. Okay? Fine. Then we saw the alphabet. What is this? E. Remember? E. E. How did we trace it? We drew a straight, a standing line and a dot. Don't forget to keep the dot. Standing line and a dot. E. Where is it? Here in the board. Is this E? No. E? No. E? No. Stop. E. Are you all able to see? E. So how did we trace it? We drew a standing line and a dot. Don't forget to keep the dot. E. Then what words did we see? In the beginning of a word, the sound comes in India. India. In. Come in. In. Then you say it's itchy. Your favorite food, idli. Ink. Then is. We say no. This is my pen. This is. E. Then you in. Come in. In. Then you have inch. Then we'll say somewhere if your friend pesters you, she irritates you, what you would say? Irritate. Don't irritate me. Yes? Okay. Then this is a card that we saw. These are all the words that has the beginning of E. Insects, injection, invitation, ink, igloo, infant, injury, iguana. These are all the words that has the E sound in the beginning. Like how we saw in India, idli. Yes? Then we are going to see some of the words that has the E sound in the end, like idli, chapati, kiwi, then ski. You love that, there's a sport, no? Yeah. Then kulfi, your favorite kulfi. Roti. Puri, yes, puri. Then taxi. Right? Chilli. Spicy chilli. Okay. So you can also find out these words, the E sound in the middle. Like, say for example, Mitra, E. Yes, you are able to hear the E sound in Mitra, E. Kayil, yes, yes, Kayil, Mitra. Jessica, E. Yes, Jessica. Then what else? Think of it, and we shall have a discussion later when we meet, okay? Then we saw the next alphabet, P. You remember seeing this? P. P. P as in pot, potato, pencil, pen, pocket, pigeon, purse. Yes, we have lot of words. Then where is P here? P? No, okay. P? P? Yes, stop. Yes. Then how did we trace it? You remember? P. You all would have completed this by this time. Yes. Then we saw this card, pant, pear, parrot, purse, penguin, pirate, pan, pencil, pea, peace. So these are all the words that has the P sound in the beginning. What else you say then? You have pot, pickle, you eat pickle, pinch, I pinch somebody. We should not do it. Then by the end of the day you pack your bags, pack. Then your favorite, push, okay? You're not supposed to push somebody, pull. Then pasta. Then you have paste. Every day morning when you brush your teeth, what do? You use a paste. Then girl's favorite color, pink. We all did that pouring activity, pouring activity. Then you put something on the floor, you pick it, right? Pick. Then prick. What else you have? Pin. Okay, so these are all the words that comes in the beginning. The sound that P comes in the beginning. Then we'll see that comes in the end. Clip, clap. Then we have a sweep. Lakshmi auntie, what does she do? She sweeps the floor, sweep. Then you have, pup, ship, cup, sip, lap, sip. Then you have top. We play, right? Top. You all love jumping, jump. Then you have a lamp, top, help. You have to help somebody, right? Help. So these are all the words that comes in the words that has P sound in the end. Then we saw what is this? Remember? How did we trace it? Where is in the bow? Is it No. No. Yes, this is So how did we trace it? So what are all the words that we saw? Napkin, nose, nail, nurse, nest, necklace, neck, nuts, night. Then what we can say? Number. When you say want to say I don't want, no. Then nurse we discussed it. Then new, now. Then when you want to appreciate somebody, nice. Then yeah, nails. Okay. Then now. Now I want you to do it now. Now. Okay, so these are all the words that has the n sound in the beginning. Now we'll see in the end. Okay, now we'll see the words that has the n sound in the end. For example, nurse, very sorry, fun, pan, nun, run, tin, can, skin. Then you have pen, queen. Then where will you put the dust? Dustbin. Then when you win. Yes? 10. Down. So these are all the words that has the sound n in the end. Okay, so now you all remember. Okay, that's nice. Then what you have to do is, as usual, you must be having the practice of tracing it using your sand tap. Yes, so keep doing it, keep practicing it. I think then you must have completed all the exercises until the last video that came for English. Okay, we have one last set of videos for this term, exercises for this term. We'll do it today. Open your English worksheet and go to page number 24. You have a revision of s, a, t, e, p, n. Trace them and write. Okay, you have been given space for tracing as well as for writing all by yourself. Fine. Then M1 children, today you'll be working on the worksheet. Tomorrow open your homework notebook, and we have given the place for you to trace and write all by yourself. Okay, and in this page we have given you an activity. What activity is it? So next activity is circling the sound that begins with Say for example, you have ant here. What sound does it begin with? P, S, A. Yes, it begins with A. So you will circle A. Then you have tap. What is the beginning sound? Is it E, T or P? T. So you circle T. Do the same way for the rest of the things. Okay, M1. Then Premont, you also have the same activity to do. Okay, Premont will also be doing the same activity. Got it? Ant, A, tap, T. Yeah, do for the rest of the things. Circle the correct thing. Okay? For your reference, for M1 reference. Okay? Okay, so when it comes to English, I'll see you with another fresh video in another term. Until then, bye.